Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. Let's start with the transactions now. Transactions, which transactions we would like to have, whether we would like to have estimates. Estimates are nothing but quotes as well. Whether we would like to use that, whether we would like to use sales orders, return authorization, purchase orders, orders vendor return authorization. These are part of the standard modules. But in case if we have procured advanced procurement module, then these 4 options will also come in. Request for quote requisitions, purchase contracts, and blanket purchase orders. For example, if I don't want to use request for quote, I can uncheck this checkbox and save it. If I go to transactions purchases, I will not see the request for quote anymore. If I disable this particular request for quote a checkbox. Similarly, there are some suite apps in case if you want to have any approvals. There are some approval suite apps that have come in. In case if you want to use those approval workflows, then we can start using those as well in case required. In case if you want to have the app in case, if you want to have the app in case, if you want to have the app or the app, we have those blank purchase orders, request for quote and all other stuff. In case if you want that, we can use that. And we also have a warranty and repair management suite app. In case if you want to claim warranty for customers, then we can start using this warranty and repairs. Similarly, multiple prices on the customer or on the item. We saw that we can have multiple price levels, right? Do you remember that? Yes, product. On the item, you have those multiple price levels, right? Wholesale price or retail price, 10% discount, 20% discount. Whatever prices that we have set in case, if we want to have multiple prices, we can have that set up. Similarly, quantity pricing on the item itself. We had said that quantity pricing can be set for example, if a customer purchases 10 quantity, then it would be a different price under quantity, different pricing on and forth. In the in case, if we want to use multiple prices and quantity pricing, we can check this. Check boxes. Gross profit. This is a new feature wherein on the transaction, on the sales transaction, if you want to understand what's the gross profit for a particular item that we sell, it shows on that transaction as well. Similarly, in case if we want to use promotions, promotions is nothing, but in case you have those promotion codes, right? You generate those code and you get various discounts. In case if you want to use those promotional codes, or whether you want to auto apply or suite promotions, you can check these checkboxes. Similarly, this is a new thing that has come up with required deposit workflow. In case if you want to have a customer deposit on the sales order, you can define that on the sales order itself. You can define a particular amount or a percentage on the sales order that a deposit can be the sales order that a deposit can be accepted on the sales order. Any questions? No? If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.